Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today you guys, we're going to be adding some fall decor to my primary bedroom. As you can see, my space is pretty much neutral, so I'm going to be keeping with the same neutral aesthetics for this space just to kind of make sure everything kind of stays and flows together. So I did receive some new bedding for my bedroom. This is from Brooklinen. They are collaborating with me on today's video. So the sheet set, or the bedding set that I chose, was the Core Sheet Set Luxury Bundle Set. And basically in this set, you will get your duvet, you will get your actual sheet set, and then you will also get the matching pillowcases to match your duvet and your sheet set. We've slept on Brooklinen sheets for about 6 months now. We absolutely love them. We notice such a difference when we switch. They keep us cool all night long, and they are so incredibly soft. The Luxe Satin sheet sets are some of their best-selling top sheets. They're your ultimate bedding upgrade. They're perfect for elevating your sheet game. These sheets feature a luxurious 480 thread count, and they have a slightly luminous finish. Okay, you guys, so today's video is sponsored by Brooklinen. Brooklinen is a luxury bedding company that makes home goods that help elevate your space. This is the second time I got the opportunity to work with Brooklinen. I just love their sheets. They're super soft, they're comfortable, and they get better with each wash. So they have a large selection of different colors and styles for you to choose from. So I always choose their Luxe Hardcore Bundle Set because it's the best bang for your buck, because you get almost like your whole bedding set in one bundle instead of buying everything individual. So you'll get like your duvet, you'll get your sheet set, and you'll also get your pillowcases for the sheet set with the duvet as well. So they have different kinds of colors that you can choose from and styles. I chose the white, but this time I chose the white with the window pane because it's absolutely gorgeous. And I thought it'd be perfect for fall, so because it kind of gives me a little bit of pop of color without actually deviating from my all white bedding. So I just love their products. Brooklinen sheets are super soft, they're comfortable, and then the Hardcore Luxe Bundle almost has like a soft sheen to it. So very soft, very comfortable, and like I said, it gets better with every wash. So I did wash these so they're not too wrinkled as you see as they come out of the dryer. So I'm not going to steam anything. I'm just going to go ahead and make my bed up. Right now through August 31st, Brooklinen is having their staycation sale. So with the staycation sale, you can get 15% off of your order. So you don't have to, whether you're traveling or whether you're staying at home, and you just want to make your room nice and comfy, especially with the fall season approaching us. We want to make our homes nice and cozy and get ready for that fall weather. So you can save 50% off of your order. So I have all of the links and everything linked down in the description box below. So make sure you guys check that out as well. And I also put the discount code across the screen. So thank you again to Brooklinen for sponsoring today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding a little bit of fall decor to my primary bedroom. I'm going to be keeping this space pretty much neutral for fall this year. So I'm going to mainly keep with the same color palette that I have going on in my space. That way everything kind of just flows aesthetically together. Now, if you don't like to decorate with traditional colors for fall, the decorate with neutral color palette is an option. They have several neutral fall home decor pieces as well that you can kind of really implement into your space. So how I like to make my bed, I always start with my fitted and flat sheet first, and then I'll go in with a quilt, and then I'll add my duvet on top, and then I'll add in my decorative pillows. And then I always try to put in my everyday pillows that I sleep on in the back to the back of the bed, so that way they're not shown, and then you just mainly see the decorative pillows up front.
One pro tip that I can give you for making up your bed, or to how to make your bed look more luxe and more luxurious, is always make your bed up in layers. So adding in those duvets, those quilts, those throw pillows, and decorative throw blankets, those all are elements that make your bed look more luxurious. You always want to start off with a good sheet set as well, because we spend a lot of time in our beds. You want to make sure that your bed is comfortable and cozy. So I would definitely invest in some really good high quality sheets that's going to give you the luxury vibe and also going to give you that comfortability as well. So for my nightstand, I'm going to keep it real simple. I'm just going to add in my journal and then also add in a floral arrangement that I created. This vase came from Target, and then those florals came from Michaels. And then I am going to add in a few pumpkins to this space as well. This pumpkin I did pick up from Kirkland's a few years back. I do like the organic look of it, and then it's all white. I think Kirkland's may have all of their fall decor on sale as well, but I absolutely love how realistic these pumpkins are. And then on my husband's side, I'm going to add in same similar pieces, but I'm just going to exempt the pumpkin, and I'm just going to add in a full arrangement and then another candle over there as well. And then to my little settee, I'm going to add in this decorative pillow. I always like to finish off making up my bed with some linen spray. This one is by Casaluna and the scent is called Clarity. I absolutely love it. Just give your bedding a nice crisp freshness when you're laying down in at night. So this is the overall look, you guys. I really love the simple touches that I added to my bedroom decor. So if you guys are new here, I really hope you will stay around and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. If you're a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping stopping by and watching another video. Don't forget to shop Brooklinen's Staycation Sale to save 15% off of your bedding order. Thank you again to Brooklinen for sponsoring today's video. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.